Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, whosoever owns gold and silver, but does not pay what is due on it, on the resurrection day, the layer of fiery rocks will be made for him, and it will be heated in hell fire, and his sides, forehead, and back will be branded with it. This action will be repeated after being executed. On the day equivalent to 50,000 years, this action will continue incessantly until when the judgment of all will have been passed. He will be assured to paradise or hell. It was submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about the honor of camels? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the camels' honors, who do not pay what is due on them, who do not pay poor due on them, of the camel rights is to milk the she-camels after watering them, will be made lie in prone position on a bare bleak plain, and at the time these camels, extremely fat then, not missing even a single young one, will come and trample him with their hoofs and bite him with their mouths. When the first herd passes him, the second will come, and it will continue incessantly on the day equivalent to 50,000 years, until when the judgment of all people will have been passed. He will be guided to the way to paradise or hell. It was submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about the owners of cows and goats? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, the owner of the cows and goats, who does not pay what is due on them, will be felled face down on a desolate plain. All the cows and goats, not missing even a single one, will trample him with their hoofs and gore him with their horns. And that day none of them will be curved, horned, or hornless, or broken horned. After the passage of first herd, the other will come, and it will happen uninterruptedly on the day equivalent to 50,000 years, until the judgment of all people will be passed. He thereafter will be assured to the way to paradise or hell. It was then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about the horse's honor? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, horses are of three types. Horses are a burden for the honor, a screen for the honor, and a reward for the honor. As for the horse's burden for a man, they are those which a man keeps for vanity, show off, and teasing the Muslims. So they are a burden for him. As for the horses a screen for a man, they are those which the honor has fastened in Allah's cause, without forgetting the rights associated with the horses' backs and necks. So they are a screen for the honor. As for the horses which are reward for the honor, they are these that the honor hath tethered for the Muslims in Allah's cause in any meadow or garden. Good deeds are written for the honor in exchange for what these horses eat in the pasture or the garden, or in lieu, their urine and dung. If the horses, breaking their tether, take a round of one or two knolls, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will record him good deeds equal to the number of the impression of their hoofs and dung. And if the master along with the horses passes by a camel, and the horses drink water without his intention, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will record the honor good deeds equal to the quantity of the water. It was submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about the asses? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no ruling has been revealed to me regarding asses save the comprehensive words. Translation: then whosoever has done good of an atom's weight shall see its reward, and whosoever has done evil of an atom's weight shall see its penalty. Surah Al-Zilzal, verse 7 and 8. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2287.